Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys lava phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys lava phone guys talkback problem how to solve. Friends, we have talkback problem on lava mobile, so how to solve talkback problem. In this video friends we will talk about one by one, step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, you can see guys I have talkback problem, and friends I am not operating my lava mobile. Friends, same problem you have. So how to solve talkback problem on lava mobiles. So friends, you can solve your talkback problem with two finger guys. One finger friends, you cannot solve your talkback problem on your any Android phone device. And friends, when talkback is on and friends your phone screen is off and friends you want to unlock your phone, so friends use your two finger, swipe here and you can unlock your phone. After unlock phone, again use your two finger and friends use your one finger, one tap here, phone setting. Friends, continue, double tap here. Friends, you can see this type interface. Friends, again scroll your screen with two finger guys. If you if you use one finger friends, you can see we cannot use lava mobile screen. So friends, use your two finger and friends one tap here, assistant setting, and double tap here and friends scroll it, accessibility setting, double tap here friends. Friends, talkback setting, double tap, use talkback setting guys, double tap, stop button, double tap, and guys talkback problem solved. And friends, you can use your lava mobile talk or your lava mobile phone without any talkback problem. Friends, you can unlock your phone, you can lock your phone with one finger, you can use it. So like that friends, we can fix lava mobile talkback problem. And friends, you can fix talkback problem with shortcut setting also. So how to use talkback problem shortcut setting? Open your guys accessibility setting. Again guys we will on talkback. After on talkback friends, you can see again friends we have double tap to activate problem, one tap, double tap. So friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, double tap here search option and then search here TALK talkback. Friends, we will search not talkback friends, direct friends you can search here accessibility setting. Accessibility setting friends, search here ACC accessibility setting. Friends, you can see intelligent assistant accessibility setting. Friends, one tap here, friends double tap here, talkback setting. Friends, here double tap, direct. Friends, you can solve talkback problem from here with shortcut setting. So like that friends, you can solve talkback problem on lava mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.